How to buy Kindle books. Are you guys facing issues to buy Kindle books on Amazon App Store? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Amazon app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right bottom of the screen where you can see the three dot line. Click on it. Now scroll down and click on books and readings. After you click on it, you can see the option for Kindle Store. Tap on it. As soon as you click on Kindle Store, you can see Kindle books over here. Just select it according to your preference and buy it. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna buy Kindle books on Amazon App Store. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Amazon App Store, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out.